Hello friends, our today's topic is hydrolysis of salt. So what is hydrolysis of salt? Hydrolysis of salt. It is the reaction between salt and water. Hydrolysis of salt is the reaction between salt and water to produce acidity or basicity into the solution. When salt is hydrolyzed, that is, salt is reacted with water, it produces corresponding acid and corresponding base. Depending upon the acidic and basic strength of the particular acid or particular base, the solution may be acidic or basic. If acid is strong, solution will be acidic. If base is strong, solution will be basic. Hence, the hydrolysis of salt is defined as the reaction of salt with water to produce acidity or basicity into the solution. Let us consider the hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and strong base. If Ba is the strong acid, if Ba is the salt of strong acid and strong base, they on reaction with water, it will produce, it is a salt of strong acid and strong base. It on reaction with water will produce BOH and HE. BOH is strong acid and BOH is strong base and HE is the strong acid. Now, being strong, both are strong. Being strong, both will produce OH minus and H plus ions in equal amount. So the solution will be neutral. But according to the definition of hydrolysis, hydrolysis of salt is defined as the reaction between salt and water to produce acidity or basicity, that is alkalinity, into the solution. Hydrolysis of salt is defined as the reaction between salt and water to produce acidity or basicity into the solution. This salt of strong acid and strong base on reaction with water produces a strong base and strong acid, which contain equal concentration of OH minus and H plus ion. Therefore, the solution is neither acidic nor basic. Solution is neutral. Hence, we can say that the salt of strong acid and strong base does not produce any acidity or basicity. Into the solution. That is, salt of strong acid and strong base does not undergo hydrolysis. Okay, so remember that the salt of strong acid and strong base does not undergo hydrolysis because it produces equal concentration of OH minus and H plus ion and the solution is neutral. But according to our definition of hydrolysis, the solution may be acidic or basic. Okay, hydrolysis of salt is defined as the reaction between salt and water to produce acidity or alkalinity, that is basicity into the solution. Here the salt of strong acid and strong base on reaction with water does not produce any acidity or basicity. Solution remains neutral. Hence, the salt of strong acid and strong base does not undergo hydrolysis. Okay. Now, next we will consider the hydrolysis of salt of strong acid and weak base. Consider here it is same salt of strong acid and weak base. Being the salt of strong acid and weak base, on reaction with water, it will produce a weak base and a strong acid. Now strong acid will completely dissociate. Strong acid will completely dissociate to produce H plus and A minus, and weak acid will dissociate to less extent. Weak base will dissociate to less extent. Therefore, the solution contains major proportion of H plus ion. Solution will contain major proportion of H plus ion because the acid is strong and base is weak. Base will produce OH minus in less amount, but this strong acid will produce H plus ion in larger amount. Therefore, the solution will be acidic, and according to our definition, the reaction between salt and water to produce acidity or basicity. Here the salt of strong acid and weak base on reaction with water produces acidity into the solution. Hence we can say that the salt of strong acid and weak base undergoes hydrolysis. Hence we can say that salt of strong acid and weak base undergoes hydrolysis, and the solution will be acidic. Hence we can say that the salt of strong acid and weak base undergoes hydrolysis and solution will be acidic in nature. Okay. First salt is salt of strong acid and strong base that does not undergo hydrolysis. The salt of strong acid and weak base undergoes hydrolysis and produces acidity into the solution. Okay. Now next one we will discuss salt of weak acid and strong base. Here I change it as weak acid and base as strong base. Now this is the salt of weak acid and strong base. On reaction with water, it will produce a strong base and weak acid. Now weak acid will dissociate slowly, but strong base will dissociate completely. Strong base will dissociate completely and produce more concentration of OH minus. Hence the solution will be basic, and according to our definition, the reaction between salt and water to produce acidity or basicity into the solution, the salt of weak acid and strong base undergoes hydrolysis to produce basicity into the solution. Okay. First one is salt of strong acid and strong base, that is neutral, that does not produce any acidity or basicity into the solution. Therefore, we can say that salt does not undergo hydrolysis. Which salt? Salt of strong acid and strong base does not undergo hydrolysis. Next one is salt of strong acid and weak base that undergoes hydrolysis and produces acidity into the solution. Next one is salt of weak acid and strong base that also undergo hydrolysis and produces basicity into the solution. Now the last one will be salt of weak acid and weak base. Now consider Ba as a salt of weak acid and weak base. Salt of weak acid and weak base. It on reaction with water will produce BOH and HA. Now both are weak base and weak acid. This will produce B plus and OH minus. This will also produce H plus and A minus in smaller quantity. If OH minus is greater than H plus, solution will be basic. If OH minus is less than H plus, solution will be acidic. And if OH minus concentration is equal to H plus concentration, solution will be neutral. But this all depends upon the Ka and Kb values. Ka and Kb values for these bases and acid. For weak base, the dissociation constant is Kb, and for weak acid, dissociation constant is K. If Kb greater than K, the OH minus concentration will be greater than H plus concentration and solution will be basic. If Kb is less than K, OH minus concentration will be less than H plus concentration and solution will be acidic. If Kb equal to K, both concentrations of OH minus and H plus are equal, solution will be neutral. Okay. In this case, we can say that the salt of weak acid and weak base undergoes hydrolysis. but the acidity strength or basicity strength depends upon the Kb and Ka values of the base and acid. Okay, so three salt of strong acid, weak base, salt of weak acid, strong base, and salt of weak acid, weak base undergoes hydrolysis and produces acidity or basicity into the solution. But the salt of strong acid and strong base does not undergo hydrolysis. Okay, so this is all about the hydrolysis. What is hydrolysis? Hydrolysis is the reaction of salt with water to produce acidity or alkalinity into the solution. The salt of strong acid and strong base does not react with water, but does not produce acidity or basicity into the solution. Therefore, we can say that salt of strong acid and strong base does not undergo hydrolysis. Second one is salt of strong acid and weak base undergoes hydrolysis and produces acidity into the solution. Third one is salt of weak acid and strong base that react with water, that is undergoes hydrolysis and produces basicity into the solution. Last one is salt of weak acid and weak base that also react with water and produces acidity or basicity into the solution depending upon the K and Kb values of the particular weak acid and weak bases. Okay, so this is all about the hydrolysis of soil. In next lecture we will discuss the relationship between hydrolysis constant, ionic product of water, dissociation constant of acid and dissociation constant of base. In next lecture we will discuss about the relationship between hydrolysis constant, degree of hydrolysis, ionic product of water, dissociation constant of weak acid, dissociation constant of weak base, and the pH of these salt solution. The pH of these salt solution. Okay friends, thank you.